Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Meal Viewing, and today we're just going to see how to insert the link inside the Word on your Canva sheets on your computer. If you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the link inside the Word or text in your Canva sheets on your computer, just going to show in this video. For an example, here just going to type as Canva. So I just need to provide the Canva website or Canva Google search, so it's related link. So first you just click here, I just copy the first URL. So I just copy the URL, I just need to paste here. It's about the Google search of the Canva. Then I just come here and just going to select this text. So after selecting the text, you have to click on the right click here on your mouse, and here you can just use this. Otherwise, just click on the action button on the top. And now here you just need to type as link. So after typing as link, you can find this pop-up, click this. Now here you have to enter the link or search. So just paste the link or URL, you just copy. Then click on the done option. Now you can see it's have a link inside this, so it turns into the blue color. This is how you just insert a link or hyperlink on your text on your Canva sheets on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Meal. Be unique. Have a wonderful day.